Hello guys, well this is Fetuga Mojidolalekon and basically I'm coming out with a weekend crash course for one purpose, just to solve one problem. The problem of buying courses online, buying training guides and training kits online whereby there is nobody to actually help you follow up and walk you up through the task. I have tons of videos on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch them, they are free. But I am now coming up with a monitoring whereby I would monitor that you are actually getting the value for what you have paid for. Instead of buying my course, and of course, you are going to get value from that. But how am I sure that you are actually getting value? And that is why this weekend crash course would fully just depend on, okay, you have gotten into the crash course class and you have been given the tasks, the activities to do. Then I'm coming online watching you via video call, conference call, see what you are doing and see that you are actually getting it done. So I will be on your neck, and until you get it done I will not leave you, because actually you paid me to do that. So it's going to be a win-win. You must get the value. You must actually feel and understand the value that you have paid for. And it is outside the headache of, okay, me just selling you a course and that is just it. And that is what is so much available in the marketplace. So why don't we take it a bit better? And while we create value for people, let us monitor that they actually get the value that we have pitched. So this weekend courses is just going to be like, if you enroll, you've been given a task. So the task will not be too much on me, because I have so many. It's just like supervisor. Okay, I have so many teachers or teaching practice teachers to actually go and verify that they are doing their work and they are seeing the results. The aim is just for you to see the results. So I've been able to simplify what can actually get you the value for your payments. If you have paid to enroll, I've picked two tools. One is lead generation. Leads are potential customers, and I'm going to help you set up a lead generation funnel for you that you can start immediately, walk you through step by step. Of course, I'm going to give you a content, I'm going to give you a general presentation whereby everybody knows what to do, and I will now schedule the time for my monitoring whereby I have to call, see you live, see your screen over the video call, so that you would indeed present to me. I will even ask you some questions. Tell me how you get this. Tell me how that is done. And this indeed would help you immensely to improve your skill and actually to prepare, because definitely it's going to be like, okay, this is the value that you have actually paid for. Okay, so join the link to a group where we discuss and we look at the modalities of how it's going to be convenient for you, because it's going to be virtual. You will be anywhere you are in the world, I will be where I am. Then we are going to get to reach out and see the value that we want to achieve. So lead generation is the most important thing that I have put forward to teach you. Lead generation is for any business that is looking for consumers, that is looking for customers. Okay, you need to generate leads and you need to follow up your leads. The second one is sales conversion. Okay, for Facebook, okay, there is a tool in Facebook that is called Facebook Pixel, and that tool is enough to, just like Google Analytics, if you're actually using Google, so it's going to generate the data for you, your visitors and everything. So how do you set it up? How do you run your campaign? How do you actually synchronize all these tools? These are the major two areas that this weekend crash course would take care of. How do you link your Facebook account, your Facebook page, your Facebook ad account? How do you fund it? And how do you link your Facebook page with your email solution using CRM. In this tutorial, in this crash course, I'm going to talk about using Mailchimp, linking your Mailchimp with your Facebook page and generating leads from Facebook. The data is already with Facebook. Everybody's data is already with Facebook if you are coming online. So when you are generating leads with Facebook lead generation objective, they don't need to, the audience do not need to put in their data. Okay, their data is already with Facebook. So we are going to generate the Facebook leads, and we are going to, using CRM, link them to the email solution, and your email autoresponder, your email solutions will start growing out, and people will be able to have remarketing funnel. These are tools that you need it for any business. Every business actually need this. So, but so many people have it theoretically, and there is nobody to really help them manage the practical aspect of it. And that's what I'm actually offering for a very simple amount, which is just a take home, just for us to be able to really work hand to hand. And all these tools are going to really help your business. So click the link and let's look at the weekend that we are starting. So we are going to look at how you would be able to benefit immensely. So once again, my name is Fetuga Mojidolalekon. This YouTube is greatly growing, and just subscribe. That is the least you can do. Check the videos. Videos are enabled, available for you. Check the videos and let us see how we can both mutually benefit in value. Bye.